we want to look at qualities of a good narrative essay. Now, narrative essay is also called storytelling. You just tell a story, a good story that can make people happy. Okay? You must apply some tricks, some tips to make your story stand out, to make you write an excellent story in your exam. You need to learn the basic tenets of writing a good story. Basically, in writing an essay or a story, you should know that you are meant to have an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. But in storytelling, there is an addition to that. Your story must have a good title. Your title does not need to be long. Just capture something that can be very catchy to people and use it as your title. It's very important. You must have a title that catches the attention of your readers easily. That's number one tip. Number two, your story must have an appealing introduction. Now, in your introduction, you're going to hook up with your readers. So be careful how you start your story. Let the introduction be appealing. Let the introduction be inviting. Let the introduction make your reader want to read more. Yes, it's very important. The next point we're looking at is your story must have well-developed paragraphs. Your points should be stated distinctly. Your readers should be able to follow your story sequentially from your introduction into the body of your story. So you should have well-developed paragraphs in your story. You must use interesting characters and events. That's the next point. You must use characters and events that are captivating, all right? In your conclusion, you should be able to deliver satisfaction to your audience or to your readers. Your conclusion must be satisfying. It must have something we call in literature resolution. Okay, your conclusion is basically the resolution of every conflict that you've put from your introduction to the body of your story. You must just resolve everything in your conclusion. All right. I know that you can tell a good story in your exams, and I wish you a good luck. Thank you for joining me in today's class. I'd appreciate if you could subscribe to this channel. Thank you.